let's start. Here I have 2 cups of flour. So now we are going to add some salt and sugar. Salt as per your taste, and sugar about 1.5 to 2 teaspoons of sugar, a pinch of baking soda and a pinch of baking powder. After adding all of them, mix them little bit. So right now I am adding the baking soda. So as naans are prepared in the tandoor, tandoor is a clay oven. Today we are going to prepare on the cast iron tawa. So I have mixed them all. Now we are going to add some curd. I have added about half a cup of curd. Later on I will also add a little more curd. Mix the curd in and knead the dough. We need to knead the dough like same as the pizza dough. And pizzas can also be prepared with the same dough. Many things can be prepared from the same dough. So mix well and knead the dough. Now it's little bit dry, we will add some more flour. So I'm mixing. So I have added some more curd to it, about 3 tablespoons, and we are going to mix this dough again. You have to knead this really well. So I have speeded up the process so that it don't get pour out of it. In the sign, we will press it little bit and it will again rise up. That is the sign of gluten has been activated in this that dough. I have greased the bowl first and then I have added the dough. Again we are going to grease it with oil. The dough we should grease it and cover it and let it rest for about 4 to 8 hours. So this is after 8 hours. This has risen double. So now we are going to take a lemon sized ball out of it and roll it. After we need some more water to prepare the naans. Add some kalonji. This kalonji is really optional. You can also take garlic and prepare garlic naans. This is kalonji. So now I am going to take some flour, some dough. I have greased a little bit of my fingers so that dough doesn't stick. I have rolled the dough nicely. After that, again wrap it with some flour and roll it. Naans are prepared in an oblong shape or a triangle shape. Today I am going to prepare in an oblong shape. So let's roll this. After rolling it in an oblong shape, we are going to apply some water and stick to the cast iron. Cast iron only is recommended. In non-stick, it may not stick to the pan, and if it does not stick, the naan will not prepare good. So right now you can see me applying some water in it. And if you want to prepare some garlic, first apply garlic in it, flip and add water. You need to make sure that the tawa is really hot, and naans are prepared in hot temperatures. So I have added this in the tawa. You can see they are bubbling up right now. So now I am going to add some kalonji. You may also add kalonji first and then flip it and then apply water, but I am applying to it later on. So in medium flame we are going to first flip this off, and after that we are going to make in medium flame and cook it nicely until brown spots. So you can see the flame, and in medium flame the naan is rising. You can see how the naan was thin, and right now you can see it has gone double in size. So usually naans are prepared with yeast, but this is without yeast recipe. So naan is prepared. After cooking it from down, I kept it about 10 seconds on the other side. means I kept the tawa 10 seconds on low flame. Now you can see the naan after applying some butter on it. So thank you for watching.